What's up, Make Use Of? This is Dave LeClaire, and today we're going to take a look at the benefits of Spotify Premium. Should you plunk down that money and sign up for a premium subscription to Spotify, or are you better off sticking with the free version? We're going to kind of dig into what you get when you sign up, what you get with a free account, and it'll help you make a decision for yourself as to whether or not you want to spend your hard-earned money on this subscription. So before we get into the subscription, let's talk about the limitations of the free version of Spotify. The main thing is you don't get to skip songs or pick the order of which your songs are played. So if you want to play an album, it's going to shuffle it. There are select playlists that give you full control over skips and over the order you play the songs. But if you just were to say, like, I want to listen to, the latest album from whoever, pick an artist, Ariana Grande or something, I don't know. Pick an artist, it's going to shuffle that album for you. Whereas if you have the premium version, you get to listen to the album how you want, either in the original order, you can shuffle, you can pick and choose your favorite songs. The other thing, and this is super annoying, is that you're going to get ads blasted in while you're listening to music. So you can't really, like if you're trying to use the music as a way to zone out while you're working and just have something on, and all of a sudden you hear, hey, blah, 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 you want to buy this thing? It's like, it totally takes you out of the zone, takes you out of the music. So for most people, that's probably going to be the deal breaker with the free version of Spotify versus the paid version, is those ads. The way Spotify does it is just, it really ruins listening to music in a lot of serious ways. So now the benefit of free is that you do get access to the entire Spotify library. You don't have complete control over said library, as I mentioned, but you do get all of the songs at your fingertips, which is pretty crazy when you think about it. I remember just a few years ago when the idea of having like an entire music library at your fingertips involved a whole lot of shady dealings. You had to go through some back routes and do some serious downloading of stuff that you may not want on your computer. Now it's free. Yeah, you got to put up with some ads, but that's still a lot of music for no money. So let's say a song you don't like comes on and you're a Spotify free user. You can skip it, but you only get 6 skips per hour. So if you find yourself in a playlist that has like half songs you like and half songs you don't, you're probably going to run out of those skips pretty quickly. But a 6 is not terrible, and it might help you find some new music to listen to because you might be forced to subject yourself to something that you normally wouldn't, and they might end up being your favorite band. Who knows? So if you do elect to sign up for premium, the biggest thing, you're going to get rid of the ads, which is huge. You can literally just play music all you want. You're going to get the ability to skip as much as you want, choose the order your songs play, make playlists, share playlists, all that good stuff, and listen to it as much as you want without having to worry about any of the shenanigans that come along with the free version. You also get much higher quality music. You get up to 320 kilobits. On the free version, you don't get access to that high quality audio. On the paid version, you also get the ability to download music, take it with you everywhere you go, listen without using data. So for some users, that $10 a month might actually be made up just by what they save in cost on data. And then the other thing that you get with premium is Spotify Connect. Essentially what this does is it lets you listen on one device and control it on another. You can switch back and forth between the devices, so you can be playing it on your phone, quickly pick up where you left off on your PC and vice versa. So that's another kind of cool feature. Not something that everybody's going to be taking advantage of, but if you're the kind of person who, works from home maybe and you move from computer to phone to tablet to laptop, that might be something that's a pretty big deal for you. And also if you have like connected speakers like Google Home or Amazon Alexa, you'll get the benefits of being able to switch between those speakers to your phone if you go out somewhere and come back. So it's pretty cool. So the big question is how much is all this going to cost? It's $10 a month if you're just an individual and you want to sign up for a Spotify Premium account. If you're a student, you can get Spotify Premium for $5 a month, which is half price. That's a pretty good deal. And if you're a family, you can get up to 6 premium accounts that everybody shares for $15 a month, which is a crazy deal if you think about what you're getting. If you'd be paying $60 if you wanted all those subscriptions individually. So 15 is pretty cool if you have a bunch of people to split it with in your household. There are rules involving who's in your household and who's not, but give you a little wink there. You know what I'm talking about. Personally, I don't think I could live without Spotify Premium. I've had Spotify Premium since the day that it launched in the US, and I've never had a lapse in my subscription, and I probably never will. I use Spotify multiple times a day, every day. But that's obviously me. You, on the other hand, might find that you don't care about having complete control over your music and you're fine with shuffling albums. And you might find that 6 skips an hour is perfectly sufficient to you and the ads don't bother you that much. And if that's the case, go on, enjoy free. It's a perfectly good service. You're still supporting the artist you love rather than going and pirating the music somewhere else. So do it up. Use the free one. You really just have to decide which one feels comfortable for your wallet and your lifestyle, and that will be the correct choice for you. And honestly, if you can't decide, there's always a free trial, 30 days. You can sign up on Spotify, test out the features of Premium, and see if you really use it yourself. And once again, this is Dave LeClaire with MakeUseOf.com. Thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, whatever else, the social stuff that you want to do. Let us know in the comments if you have Spotify Premium and what feature you think makes it worth signing up for. Maybe you will convince somebody, maybe you won't, but it can't hurt to try. See you guys in the next video.